Raise your hand marketing. It is simple, but it's something we got to learn. This boot camp, 2 days. I'm going to take you through the 3 stages of digital marketing. See, digital marketing is massively different today than it was even 1 year ago. But there is a process by which it can work. And it doesn't matter whether you're LinkedIn, emails, Facebook, TikTok. The strategy behind it has to remain the same. We got to do 3 things, and that's really what this boot camp is all about. 2 full days, you, me, and a bunch of other business owners learning about digital marketing. Step 1 of the 3 that we have to study is how to get people to raise their hand. What is it that we can do to get prospective buyers? Not everyone you want to have raise their hand. You want the prospective buyers, people who are interested in your product or service that have the money, qualified buyers to raise their hand. Step 2, and this is what we got to do on the second half of day 1, is work out how to turn those hands into conversations. So we get them to raise their hand first, create a conversation second. And whether the conversation is through DMs on Instagram or whether it's through emails or whether it's by phone calls, we got to create conversations with prospective buyers. And then stage 3, what we've got to do is actually turn conversations into conversions. And whether that is website optimization, whether it is articles, whether it's content, or whether it is actually conversational methodologies, or whether it's offer creation, we're going to go through all 3 of these things. How you can create, how we make digital marketing fun for you, because when it's fun for you, it means it's making money for you, it's getting results, and we can scale it and build the business from it. So come join me on the boot camp. Look forward to having you 2 full days. Let's get together and do the 3 stages. Raise your hand, get conversations, and get conversions so it's money in the bank.